that's on the back, I remove it. I just pull it off. You find the edge of it and you pull straight off. Because for some reason, it gets a little stiff. So I just remove that part and then start seasoning.
So this one you're going to do salt and pepper
Yeah,
on.
this is just salt and pepper for him. For this.
What is that you're putting on?
This is Italian seasoning. Only because my spice rub, I can't put on his because he can't have spice. So just to add a little flavor to his. And these.
And are you going to give us the recipe for the spicy seasoning?
No, sir. I can, what I can do is make you a Ziploc bag of spice rub, and you can take it home. Good try, though. And then I make my own barbecue sauce to go with it, so all good stuff. So when baking it, I put bone side down. So the fat from the top drips down and it gets into the remaining of the stuff. And it softens it up. I foil wrap it for an hour and remove the foil wrap. Let it bake for a half hour, then turn it, and then I start the saucing process. If I had a lot more, I would. Once I sauce them up, I put it in the oven for 5 minutes, then take it out, baste it again. This is the process 3 to 4 times. And then we flip and we do the top side. I'll take mine here. Yummy, yum. Off the bone, off the bone.
There you go.
Here it is, Aunty Chitra's ribs.
There you go. Yeah. We know you're hungry. All right.
They're very tender and juicy.
Let me put some sauce on it. Come.